Good morning, Jai Sachidanand. We the students of grade 2 of Amba school are very excited to welcome you all in our celebration of learning. For the past 2 months, we have been exploring the topic exercise. Why is the heart important? Why is the lung important? Why our body needs blood? We investigated how different parts of exercise affect the different parts of our body. The investigation we did were endurance, balance, flexibility, strength, and indoor and outdoor exercise.
Hello everyone, today I want to take you behind the scenes. I want to share the amazing journey of our grade 2 students took to understand the most amazing machine, their own body. Our journey of my body and inside my body begins with the play. The fun activities we did in the class was Simon Says. From there, we get into the exploration phase to get them thinking about how they move.
How exercise helps the body to stay fit and healthy. Today we hope that you are able to come up with an exercise routine that will help you stay fit and healthy.
We set up a learning station featuring models of sensory organs, muscular system, skeletal system and digestive system. Seeing these models up close sparked a massive wave of curiosity in the classroom. To channel that curiosity, we guided the students through 4 deep investigations.
We identified and described major internal body parts and the basic function of each body part: bones, muscles, lungs, heart, intestines and brain.
Our first investigation was all about endurance. In that endurance, we have set display of exercise equipments. We asked kids to look closely and think in a pair. After that, it was time for an action. They did running, jumping and relay races. And after exercise, they came to know that which body parts affect in which exercises. Even they used pulse monitor to measure after and before checking their pulse rate to compare that how heart affects after and before the exercise. This wonderful experience lead them to create wonderful questions, their wonderings. Why heart beating fast? Why we need to warm up before and after exercise? So that kind of questions raised from them.
We learned how to measure the heart rate using a stethoscope and pulse monitor. We also made pulse monitors in the scan lab. We also noticed that our heart rate increased after doing endurance exercise. It was interesting to see this. It was also interesting to see that everyone's heart rates are not the same.
Our next investigation was all about balance. In this balance station, students and our classroom filled with yoga mats, skipping ropes, gymnastic balls and everything. We also invited our special guest to teach kids yoga. The students tried different poses and even they have tried to balance their body with their eyes closed. This sparked a new set of wonderings. Why cannot we balance our body with our eyes closed? Is there any body part which is inside and is helping our body to stay steady? To find their wonderings, they went to research their questions in computer lab, and they proudly researched and found the wondering questions that the brain is the boss.
Balance exercise includes activities that help you maintain control and stability of your body, such as gymnastics, walking on a straight line, yoga poses, and using a balance beam. We observe that it is harder to do balance exercise when our eyes are closed.
Our third investigation was focused on flexibility. We were joined by our wonderful PE teacher who explained exactly why flexibility needed and stretching is needed before and after every exercises. Then also kids were wondering that why flexible body is necessary, why we need to stretch our body before and after exercise. Then they headed to computer lab again to find their researches, and they have researched their own questions.
Flexibility just means being bendy and stretchy. Being flexible helps you reach way up high or bend down to touch your toes easily without getting hurt.
Our final investigation was about strength and building muscles. The student explored the equipments used for building muscles like tug of war, sand balls, monkey bars, and weight rings. Their curiosity piqued when they were wondering that how a real gym works. So we took them to the field visit in a real gym. They carefully observed PE sir using all the equipments, also learning that which muscle was building and which muscle was stretching while doing each exercise.
Strength exercise includes activities which makes our muscles strong, such as lifting, pushing, pulling, and holding our body weight. We visited to gym and carefully observed our PE performing each strength exercise by using all the equipment safely. Strong muscle helps support and protect our bones. Bones do not move on their own and pull them to create a movement.
Importantly, they learn a valuable lesson that gym is for adults only, but they can build their muscles through some sports and playing activities. After researching their final wonder question in the computer lab, it was time to connect the dots. We brought all stations, all investigations together, like endurance, balance, flexibility, and strength.
Hello everyone. Today I am summarizing the gym. Sir was explaining us that how to do exercise well. We learned everything and now we are comfortable to exercise and our bones will be strong. Our muscles, when we stretch, our muscles get stretched and then we need to cool down because our muscles are long. So we have to place them in the proper place. We did this exercise, the treadmill over there, and we did so many exercises. Sir was helping us. Thank you.
It was not just about reading the textbook, it was about observing, questioning, researching, and experiencing it.